everyone. Hello viewers, this is our Kia's Kitchen again. Today we are going to do a gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free and egg-free pancakes. We've got our gluten-free flour here, and this is like a cup and a half. So with this recipe, what we've got is we're going to add all our dry ingredients together, and what we use to replace sugar is xylitol sweetener. So sometimes we use xylitol or sugar or honey rather than sugar, because we are trying to make it healthier and then reduce the sugar content in it. So in this recipe, what we just need is just a spoonful of our sweetener, and then I add a bit of gluten-free baking powder, just to make it a bit fluffy. Though it's self-rising flour I've got already, I still add a bit of gluten-free baking powder to make it a bit fluffy. And I've got here flax seeds, cinnamon powder, and then what do we call it, nutmeg. So this to give it flavor, and then our flax seeds to get some omega-3 from it as well. So we add all our dry things together, we mix it together, try to mix it evenly, and then we set it aside. So now we are going to mix all our wet ingredients together. We've got here our hemp seed milk. We normally prefer using seed milk because I've got some of my children who are intolerances to nuts, though they are dairy free. They can still eat it, so we go for seed milk, and this time we are using the hemp milk. So I just pour a quantity that I want, and I can put the measurements for, and then the exact distance in the description for those who want to follow measurements. And here that I've got my winter squash, and this is actually the marrow squash, and this is what we are using to replace our egg, and this will be will act like our egg binder in our pancake for us. So this too, I just put as much as I want. You can measure if you want, but I just try to put as much as I want, just for them to get all the goodness in the marrow into the pancake. So now what we are going to do is just mix our wet ingredients together. And then mix it with our dry ingredients. So this time what we are going to do is we are going to add it slowly so that we get a nice mixture, and also to make the consistency even so that we don't get it too runny or too thick. So when you mix it slowly, it helps you get whatever consistent you want. If it's too thick, you can add more of the milk. So we just keep mixing. Right. So at this moment, I think I need a bit of milk because it's a bit thick. So what I'll do is I'll add a bit of milk to my paste and keep mixing. Yeah, so this is a consistency we want for our pancake, and I think this depends on who is doing it. If you want it a bit lighter, you can make it a bit running. If you want it thick as I want it, then this would be a right consistency for you. So now we've got our paste ready, and what we are going to do now is to start our pancakes. So now we are ready for our pancakes to be fried. I normally use the skillet because one, it takes a lot of pancakes at once, that I can do like 4 of them in a skillet at once, and 2, it takes less oil because they are non-stick and they are from Salad Master, so they take less oil. You can actually fry without oil, but I just put a bit of grease to help me turn them easily because there's no eggs in our pancakes mixture. So what we are going to use as our fat is ghee. We are going to be doing a video very soon about what ghee is and what how you can make a ghee. So ghee is literally just clarified butter. So we are going to use the ghee, put a bit of our ghee in the skillet, and then spread it through just evenly so that our pancakes are easily turned when they are cooked. I like to use the ice cream scoop because it's easy to scoop with them, and then it gives them at least same sizes. So we go that way. So you can see we've got like 4 pancakes in our skillet. So now what we are going to do is we are going to let it cook. When we see the pancakes popping up, getting a bit dry, then they are ready to turn over. Ta-da! I guess you guys can see our final pancake. So this is what we got out of our gluten-free, egg-free, dairy-free, sugar-free pancake. You can see how yummy they look like, and we just finish it up by sizzling it with this chocolate sauce. And this is actually good stuff. It's sugar-free and actually everything-free. So you can equally use it if you want to, but my children just love this chocolate sauce, so I sometimes just put a bit on it just to taste for them. Thank you viewers for watching, and keep watching and watching out for new videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what we are doing. We thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.